Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from DasherDirect virtual card to Cash App. First, open your Cash App. On the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, you'll be taken to the Account section. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. In Linked Banks, tap Link Debit Card. On the next page, enter the debit card number associated with your DasherDirect account, then tap Next. You'll then need to provide additional card details, including expiration month, year, CVV, and zip code. Once completed, tap Add Card. You'll return to the Linked Banks page, where your debit card will now be visible. To transfer money, go back to the home page and tap Money in the bottom left corner. You'll see your current Cash App balance at the top. Tap Add Cash. A pop-up will appear. Select the amount you want to transfer. For example, choose $10, then tap Add. Next, confirm your cash PIN by entering your 4-digit PIN and tapping Next. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your funds have been successfully added to your Cash App account. Tap Done. And that's it. This is how you can quickly and easily transfer money from your DasherDirect card to Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.